to it. Let's see what it sounds like. How do you turn this thing on? So back here is the ports. You can charge your phone with this. You can charge the speaker, and then there's the AUX. So it is heavier than the old version, and it's a bit bigger. So I'm guessing it has better sound. I'm gonna connect this to my phone. Here's the on button. Whoa. This is different. This is different. Look, little lights at the bottom. Connect the Bluetooth. More settings. So the other speaker, it's gone. It just went downhill. I lost it in the train. So.
What did you do? I thought you were waiting.
Okay, so let's use some basic music just to see how this thing sounds. I did the review video on the last model.
Have you actually listened to it yet?
I haven't listened. I just unboxed this right now. Oh, let's use my favorite song. Top volume. It gets a lot louder than the last one. I didn't say that.